Alright guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Alright, so we had a kind of interesting surprise in the mail yesterday. And I had one last month too. And I have made the decision to actually turn my AC off. There is something going on with the rates that has changed the billing per kilowatt. I have never had a bill that has surpassed 6,500 per month. I do run AC in our office bedroom 24/7 because that's where I spent 20 hours a day of my time working and sleeping. So that happened to go last month. The electric was, how much was it?
I don't know.
It was
Around
like eight and a half. So it went from 6.5 to 8.5. And again this month, it went from 8.5 to almost 10.5. And looking at consumption, we didn't have much more of consumption as far as wattage goes. We didn't have any more consumption than last month, but the price still went up 2,000 pesos, which is another 50-60 bucks. So I told my wife, with the kilowatt hour price going up the way it is, we have to lower down our AC a little bit. I do keep it really cold though, around 22, 23 degrees. So of course that makes it a little bit more expensive, but that's just the way it is. I guess you can call it hyperinflation if you want. Is that what we got? Anyway, so we decided, me and Ryan here decided we're going to take a little quick walk up to a store up here, look at a couple of floor fans, and see if we can't get a fan going, which means you can actually lower the air conditioning and turn the fan on instead, which should consume a lot less energy. So we'll see. So we're gonna walk through the neighborhood here. I don't know, you guys seen straight ahead there, you see the sign for Builder's Warehouse. That's the new warehouse, Builder's Warehouse on no access road. We're just in the back of it, walking through the neighborhood a little bit. And we're gonna head up to MacArthur and take you with us. So I think we go up here, right? So we shall see. So what you've been doing now? You started working, yeah, and now you're working from home.
Yeah, I'm working from home.
So for you, all you Filipinos out there is work to be done from home. You got a pretty decent contract, right? With some British. It's a company here that has the contract, but you got work and you're working for a British company, right? So it's you have good internet at home. You can find work and you can work from home in these COVID infested times.
I can basically work everywhere because I have a laptop. All I need is data and with me.
What did you say?
I can pretty much work everywhere.
Right.
Because I have a laptop, right? And then work with the laptop.
Right.
And I all need is a data that can like enough data for me to work.
Oh, okay.
Smooth and
Yeah.
like that.
Right.
So I can just carry my laptop right here, right there. If I could go somewhere, you know, it's really
Right. Yeah, as long as you have good internet, you know, we can work pretty much from anywhere, and that's what I have done for the last 7 years. You know, I mean, I'm semi-retired now, don't work much online anymore, but that's what I have been doing, and it has kind of helped me as well, and partially you guys have worked with us too, right? So,
yep.
And we had some good contracts, and we had some unfortunate times too with the contract. The one we worked for last year, he passed away in a traffic accident, and the estate decided to shut the company down. And you know, obviously that cut a lot of stuff out for us. So, but anyway, we're gonna try to go and see if we can't get this fan going today. Man, it's hot, isn't it? He's using the shield as a fan instead.
Yeah.
So
It's more like a fan in the shield for me.
yeah,
I don't need this.
nah, but
But
I don't know if they took
as per
the
policy, you need it.
I don't know if they took the shield policy out of things now. I have no clue. It's so hard to follow because the rules changes almost daily. Every single day you have something new coming up. And I'm gonna do a short little video. There was some announcements yesterday, but I'm gonna do that in a separate video, and it will come out after this one, so keep looking for it. All right, so now we're up here on MacArthur. Traffic as usual, quite a bit of traffic actually. So let's go. I think he's gonna let us go, and this guy is gonna let us go, and this guy will let us go. So we're gonna head down this way. I wonder, do they sell fans in here? You think? Huh? It'd be interesting to know. It's probably a safer bet to go down to the variety store. Variety store. Alright, so here's the streets are full of noise. Here's the variety stores, the Marina Arcade. A lot of stores are selling military supplies, right? Military supplies for personal use, I guess. Hello. Traffic is busy here today. Oh wow. Hello guys. There's traffic everywhere. But anyway, Susie's cuisine. They say she has pretty decent food.
Yeah.
Have you tried to eat it there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never tried it, but right? So, well, the commerce is going as usual in McArthur. Traffic is almost back to normal. So if you come here, the only thing you really see is different from pre-COVID is the fact that people are wearing the masks. You don't see much different as far as number of people and that kind of stuff on the streets. You don't see any changes. Producers Bank, is it closed? That's like a local farm bank. That's another thing that's become popular here. Bicycles. A lot of it. A lot of bicycles are sold here. Feliciano Hardware, that's where I go and get most of my hardware when I need it. Hey, are they? Yeah, they're repainting the Sogo Hotel, right?
Yep.
Look at that. It's all white now.
It's gonna be white.
Right. It's either that or they just looks like it's going to be white and then red and yellow on the sides, I guess. All right, so down here, Emilio's. We bought some appliances from that when we opened our pizza place. Here I bought my first motorcycle at the Wonson Honda. Bought my first Honda Beat here. And now I'm about to get rid of, I think that's my third bike. It's my second bike here. I'm about to get rid of it and do a few changes in my life as far as staying in the city, leaving the city, and that kind of stuff. All right, so we have reached our destination, Extreme Shops. Extreme Shops Wise Inc. It's a general merchandise store. I don't think they allow us to film in there, so I'm going to turn the camera off right now, and then we start filming again when we come back out. We're just going to...
What the heck? What's that gonna do?
Nothing. That's not going to do anything. You know? I'm wondering if these things are any good to put in the ceiling.
Yeah, put in the ceiling, yeah.
I don't know. You know, this is put in the ceiling, right? But I wonder how balanced it would be. I don't know. You know.
Be better if you get like.
Oh. So what's this here?
Just like a table.
Or
and you stick it in the table.
You could put it by the computer.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so we made our decision. This is what we're getting. This one there. Probably need to put it up there. Or you can stick it in there, right? And you jump in there. And I'll sit in the back, right?
Okay, no problem.
Barangay daw. San Isidro. Where's the barangay?
What's the?
Barangay daw.
Yeah, what's good?
Everlasting. Hold on. All right. All right, so we got the fan bought, but I'm kind of curious about what caused the electric charges to go way up. Looked at my three last monthly bills, and the kilowattage is about the same, but the bill has gone from 6,500 pesos to 10,300 this month. So what is that? That's just like 70% increase, and that doesn't make any sense whatsoever. So we got to figure it out. Is it price gouging? We could probably afford to pay that, but I can tell you there's a lot of people here that cannot afford it. So we'll see what's going on. Alright, so we got the fan bought, and let's put it together. Okay guys, that was a quick little walk, and we got the fan installed. Wife is happy. We can lower the temperature on the AC, and hopefully over the next month or so save some energy. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, get notified. Later on today I will put out another little video. There was some announcement about MECQ changes around the entire country actually, and I'm going to put some of that out. That'll be a separate video, a short video, so stay tuned. Come and see us again. God bless, and we'll see you soon.